Dear friends and students, I welcome all of you to the weekly spoken English course organized by our center GACE.
Vanakkam. Welcome to the weekly spoken English course. Let us learn to speak English. Week 10. Today we are going to see how we express our habits and the routine using the adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency tell us how often something is done. We use adverb of frequency to express our habits and routine. Let us see the example. I always do my homework on time. Always. Epime. That is the adverb of frequency. Let us see another example. Sheila goes out occasionally. Occasionally is the adverb of frequency. How often she goes out. It expresses that. Let us see, there are so many adverb of frequencies. Let us see each one of them, and then with the example we learn some sentences. Okay? So let us go. When the action happens all the time, we use the word always. Let us see one example. Revati always goes to school neat and tidy. Revati always goes to school neat and tidy. Revati is subject, goes is the verb, simple present tense. And the adverb of frequency always comes in between, subject and verb. Most of the times it comes like that. Let us see another one. Frequently, normally, often. In American pronunciation, they say it often. In the British pronunciation, it is often. T is not heard. Usually, regularly. So these are the words are used when the action happens many times. Let us see examples. I frequently visit my grandmother. Grandmother is staying somewhere. I frequently visit. Frequently. Many times I visit. B. We normally celebrate Deepavali very grand. We normally celebrate Deepavali very grand. C. My brother goes to beach. See, my brother is the subject. Goes to beach for a walk very often. See, the adverb of frequency often comes at the end. Okay? It can sometimes come at the beginning also. See that next example. Usually, see, it comes in the beginning. Usually, I invite my friends on my birthdays. Usually, I invite my friends on my birthdays. My grandfather visits his doctor regularly. He's sick, so he has to visit his doctor regularly. My grandfather visits his doctor regularly. See? Generally, we speak English in our school. English medium school, so we have to speak English. Generally, we speak English in our school. Occasionally, see that pronunciation, occasionally we go to cinema to watch a film. Sometimes we say theater, no, that's not a good word. Cinema is the place where the films are shown, okay? Occasionally we go to cinema to watch a film. Sometimes அப்படின்னாக்கா ஒரு 50%, okay? Sometimes, my father sometimes gets very angry. My father sometimes gets very angry. Now and then, so now and then, my brother advises me now and then. Now and then. It is not regularly, it is not sometimes, but now and then. See, if you see, always is 100%. எப்பயுமே பண்ணுவோம். Never is 0%. We never do that. எப்பயுமே செய்ய மாட்டோம். அந்த செயல் எப்பயுமே நடக்காது. இன் பிட்வீன் அப்படியே கொஞ்சம் 90%, 80%, 70% அப்படி வரும். அந்த மாதிரி தான் அந்த லிஸ்ட் போட்டிருக்கேன். Okay, so that is very important to notice it. Let us see. Rarely. I rarely eat non-veg food. I prefer veg food. I rarely eat non-veg. Okay. Next one. Hardly. ரொம்ப கம்மி. ஒரு 30% வச்சுங்களேன். Hardly. He hardly passes in all the subjects. Who? He. My brother is not good at studies. He doesn't pass in all the subjects. He hardly passes in all the subjects in the examination. Okay. செல்டம்னா கிட்டத்தட்ட 10% தான். எப்பயுமே அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சில சமயத்தில் நடக்கும். செல்டம். இது ஒரு ப்ராவர்பு பாருங்களேன். அது நம்ம தமிழில் கூட தெரியும் இந்த ஒரு ப்ராவர்பு. Barking dogs seldom bite. Barking dogs seldom bite. இந்த குலைக்கிற நாய் கடிக்காது அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, அதான் இது. Seldom. Okay. Seldom is the adverb of frequency. The last is never. Never. It doesn't happen at all. When the action doesn't happen at all, we use never. What is the example? My principal never comes late to school. See, he is very, very punctual, or she is very, very punctual. He never comes to school late. Okay? So that is never. Never it happens. See, there are so many adverb of frequencies. Why I do this lesson? Because all the time we use this adverb of frequency in the simple present tense. You see the verbs? Okay? Generally we speak. My father sometimes gets angry. And you see, I rarely eat non-veg. So all these is put in a simple present tense. I have given you the list of adverbs of frequency. I have not given you the examples, but whatever we have seen the examples, that is good enough. Most of the times we use those words of adverb of frequency. But it is good to know how many other words are there, how many other adverbs of frequency are there normally. Let us see the list. I have just given you the list for your information, for your knowledge. Let us see. Always. I have seen always. Constantly. The next one, nearly always. It's not 100%. Nearly always. Maybe some 98%. Nearly always. Almost always. Same. Nearly always, almost always, same. Usually. The next, generally. Normally. Regularly. Often. Frequently. Sometimes, 50%, sometimes. Occasionally, we have seen that. Now and then, that also we have seen. Once a while, எப்பயாவது ஒரு time, once a while. Rarely, okay, rarely. Seldom, 10% தான். Infrequently, frequently-நாக்கா often. Infrequently, often அல்ல, அதான், infrequently. Hardly ever, okay. Scarcely ever, hardly ever, scarcely ever is the same meaning. Scarcely ever. Almost never. Okay. அது வந்து கிட்டத்தட்ட ஒரு 5%. Almost never. Last is never. Not at all. It doesn't happen at all. We don't do it at all. That is never. Okay. See, these are the words. Just to go through the list, because sometimes you may hear somebody using this, and then you must know they are using these words of adverb of frequencies in order to express habits or routine. Okay? So what is very, very important is to notice how the adverbs of frequency are used in simple present tense in order to express our habits or routine. Okay? How often we do a particular action. That is what we use these words and express. Okay? It is very, very important to learn, because we use these words very often. Almost, very often. Sometimes regularly we use Okay, see, again I'm using all these words of adverb of frequency. So make as many sentences as possible using these words, these adverbs of frequency, and you will certainly improve in your spoken English. Okay, Vanakkam, Nandri. See you in the next week.